So guys, this will work with most antiviruses, but for Windows Defender, I left a link down below in the description if you want to uninstall that one. So for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in add remove programs, click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your antivirus. So it might be like Avast or something like that. Once you find it, you want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall again. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in disk cleanup, click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to select the drive that you have Windows installed on. So if you have multiple drives like me, you want to expand this. Select the drive that has the Windows logo on it. It might be kind of hard to see, but one of your drives that are going to have the Windows logo on it, you want to select that one, which is my C drive for me, and then click on OK. And then once you're on this, you want to select everything here, and then click on OK, and then click on delete files. Another thing you could also do is you could just type in your antivirus name on Google or just any web browser and then type in uninstaller. You could do this because they can give you some specific tools that can uninstall it for you properly. I've left a few links down below. If you're using any one of these antiviruses, you could just copy the link. So let's say they're using Bitdefender. You should copy this link. It's all going to be down below in the description. And then paste it right here. This is the uninstall link. And now you could just download all the tools necessary to uninstall your antivirus. I've also left more links down below for this as well. Avast, AVG, Bitdefender, and ESET. And you could just do this with other antiviruses as well. You could just type in the name and then just type in uninstaller. And you can download the tools that are needed for that. And then once you do that, you just want to restart your computer. And then you should be good to go.